Welcome students. Welcome to the lecture series on laser. So this is a part of your module optics. So in today's class we are going to discuss about population inversion and metastable state. So these are again a very important part of your lasing action. So what is population inversion? Population inversion is the process of achieving greater population of higher energy state as compared to the lower energy state. It means in this process you will have higher population in the higher excited state, which is not the natural phenomenon. Naturally your lower energy state has more population than the higher one. But in case of population inversion, you will have higher population in the higher excited state. That's why it is called inversion. You are having an inversion in population. So let us consider a two-level system. E1 and E2 the energies of the lower and higher energy state. The population of E1 state is N1 and the population of E2 state is N2. So the population means the number of atoms or number of electrons per unit volume. So this is actually the population. So according to the Boltzmann distribution, we can write the ratio of N2 by N1 means the ratio of population in higher excited state to the ground state as exponential of minus E2 minus E1 by kT. E2 minus E1 the energy difference between those two states. K is the Boltzmann constant, T is the absolute temperature. Now under normal condition, your N1 is always greater than N2. From this equation you can say N1 is always greater than N2. When temperature increases, N2 increases. However, at all the points you should have N2 is less than N1. N2 cannot exceed N1. At best you can have N2 equal to N1, means your both the population in higher state and lower state are same, but it will happen when your temperature is infinity, which is not feasible. So you cannot have N2 greater than N1. So in natural condition you cannot have population inversion. You can check yourself at room temperature the kT value is about 0.025 electron volt. For visible range your E2 minus E1 is 1.25 electron volt. You can calculate N2 by N1 and check this point. Then what will be the solution? Because in normal condition you cannot have N2 greater than N1, which is a necessary condition for lasing action. So what will be the way out? How to get population inversion? So we must have population of the higher state to be greater than the lower state, which will lead to stimulated emission. If you have greater population in the higher state, then only you can push the electrons to decay to the ground state, means stimulated emission. So the method by which such a population inversions are achieved are called pumping, or in other words optical pumping. Okay, so this is the procedure how you can have population inversion. So there is a concept of negative temperature. So to get the population inversion following the Boltzmann equation, the temperature must be negative. From that equation of Boltzmann distribution, you can easily see to have N2 greater than N1, you should have temperature should be negative. That's why a state of population inversion is sometimes called negative temperature. But remember, this is misleading as misleading, because temperature cannot be negative. Temperature cannot be negative. As this population inversion leads to mathematically T to be negative, that's why it is sometimes called negative temperature. Then what is metastable state? There are certain substances in which the electrons, once excited, they remain in the higher energy level or excited state for longer period. So if you excite an electron to a state, their lifetime is comparatively high, so it will remain there for a longer period. Such systems are called active system or active media, which are generally mixture of different elements, and such type of materials are used to form 3-level or 4-level laser. So what is metastable state? The states having comparatively longer lifetime compared to the normal electronic state are called metastable states. Now you can see the population inversion. You see, this is the ground state. These are the electronic states. So after absorbing energy, your electron is excited to this state, but it just decays spontaneously to the next energy, a higher energy state. Okay, this decays spontaneous, but this level is metastable state. It has a much longer lifetime. That's why these electrons are staying here for a longer period. Then it decays. And you see, now you are getting population inversion. In this state, number of electrons are greater compared to the ground state. So this is the mechanism to get population inversion. You must have a metastable state. You excite the electron in the higher state, it decays spontaneously to the metastable state, and in the metastable state, you are having population inversion. So remember, it is impossible to get population inversion in 2-level system. You should have 3 or 4-level system. So what we have learned today about population inversion, negative temperature and metastable. Thank you.